Hey, Forever Runners, how's it going? Hey, are you saving up for your running retirement? What the heck is that? Well, stay tuned and I'll explain. Hi, I'm Herb the Forever Runner, and I'm a heart attack survivor, ultra runner, and online running coach. And I specifically help runners in their 50s, 60s, and 70s effortlessly run faster without any pain or injury, even as you get older. So what in the heck am I talking about retiring for running? Well, if you're in your 50s or 60s, you've probably got retirement planning on your mind. And maybe earlier or maybe later, you started thinking about setting some money aside so that you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle after you quit your job. And the same thing goes for running. Now, what I'm talking about is maintaining not your financial health as you get older, but maintaining your metabolic health as you get older. So the currency that I'm talking about isn't dollars, but it's actually mitochondria. So what the hell is mitochondria? Well, inside all your cells, and let's say for runners, especially your muscle cells, are the little organs that actually convert your fuel to energy, and these are called mitochondria. And in each cell, you've got thousands of these, and the difference between a runner like you and maybe a friend of yours who's a couch potato is you probably already have a lot more larger and more numerous mitochondria in all your cells because you've activated your metabolism to cause them to multiply. And that's a good thing. The more mitochondria you have, the more efficient you are in burning the fuel that you take in as food. So the goal here is instead of saving up money for retirement, for your metabolism, you want to work on the three things that will continue to build your metabolism and increase the density of mitochondria in your muscle cells. And those three things are number one, in your diet, you need to eliminate all those inflammatory foods. And that would be industrial seed oils, processed foods, excess sugar. Because what happens is these foods directly affect the functioning of your mitochondria. Those foods create blocks that inhibit your mitochondria to do their job, converting your fuel into energy to power your running. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're eliminating that so that everything can function as it's supposed to. Now, the second thing is the mitochondria prefer fatty acids for energy, and they can burn glycogen and fatty acids. That's the beauty of it. But you want to maximize their ability to burn fatty acids, and what that is basically burning your body fat for fuel. And you do that by doing a lot of zone 2 type training or maffetone type training or running slow. And for us runners in our 50s, 60s, and 70s, we should probably be spending at least 80%, but probably more like 90% of our runs should be at a very slow, comfortable pace. And what this does is this builds your aerobic system, your slow twitch muscles, which support your fast twitch muscles. And by building this strong base of your aerobic capacity, you're going to be able to support your energy needs as you get older. So for your training, you want to do a lot of it at a very slow pace and build that robust aerobic capacity, which allows you to run faster without additional effort. Now, the third thing to do to maintain or increase the density of your mitochondria is to incorporate strength training so that you maintain muscle mass as you get older. And this is probably one of the more critical things you need to pay attention to if you want to remain active as you get older, especially in your 70s, 80s, and 90s. Maintaining muscle mass is critical to support your body and your bones and ligaments and tendons, so you can move around and do things, let alone keep running. So it's, find some sort of strength training that works for you, that you can do on a consistent basis. It could be body weight exercises. It could be kettlebells. You could use resistant bands. You can go to a gym and do Olympic weights, but find something that works for you and start it today and make that a habit going ahead. So what happens if you do these three things, just like you're putting money away for retirement and it's earning compound interest, if you're doing these three things, you're going to be adding compound interest to your mitochondria. You're going to be allowing them to grow and reproduce and multiply within your cells, providing you a much more healthy and efficient metabolism. So think about your running retirement. If you want to enjoy a healthy, happy lifestyle as you age, it isn't just the money part that you need to be concerned about. Focus on your healthy metabolism also, and build that mitochondrial currency so you can get there. So if you have questions on actually how to do this, that's basically what I do. Hit me up. I'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.